Hello, friends. I'm again with you with the words of Kabir. I'm Rachna from India, and I've done my law, and now I'm in London. So we will talk about Kabir again. He says, "दुर्लभ मनुष्य जन्म है, देह न बारंबार, तरवर ज्यों पत्ता झड़े, बहुरी न लागे डार." मीन्स कबीरदास जी कहते हैं इस संसार में मनुष्य का जन्म बहुत ही मुश्किल से मिलता है, इसे व्यर्थ नहीं गंवाना चाहिए। जिस प्रकार वृक्ष से पत्ता झड़ जाए दोबारा डाल पर नहीं लगता, उसी प्रकार एक बार मानव शरीर मिला है, बार बार नहीं मिलता। He says that this life we have got only once. We never know if whether we will get it again or not. It is the same way that once the leaf gets down from the departed from the tree, it can never go and get attached with the same tree and with the tree again, and it will never get life again. So it is the same. This body we have only once. Do something good and don't be proud of it. Don't waste its energy on other following worldly affairs, and no, don't waste your time in this religious pomp and show, and go ahead of it and live your life. Do something good for the service of mankind, so that you can use it at the fullest, because it is once it is dead, it will never get a life again. Then he says, as he also it is because it is only the human body which has brain, and we can do what we think, and others have no choice of getting knowledge, no choice of understanding, no choice of loving. So we have these choices because we have got birth as human beings, so we need to do that. Then he says, ऐसी वाणी बोलिए मन का आपा खोए, ओरन को शीतल करे आप हो शीतल होए. दैट मीन्स हमें ऐसी भाषा बोलनी चाहिए जो सुनने वाले के मन को भी बुरा न लगे. आपकी भाषा दूसरे लोगों को खुशी मिलती है तो आपका मन भी खुश होता है, अर्थात कटुवाणी का तीर चुभता है, इस प्रकार में सोच समझ कर बोलना चाहिए. दैट मीन्स as talk in a way that even you get happy and the person who is listening you gets happier. So because if you will speak harsh words in the harsh tone, then even the person listening you will feel bad, and even you will feel bad, because vibration matters. We have impact on each other. So just speak softly and live your life in a good way. Then he says, हीरा परखे जोहरी, सब शब्द ही परखे साध, कबीर परखे साध को, ताका मता अगाध. हीरा की परख जोहरी करता है, और सार असार को परखने वाला एक विवेकी साधु होता है, सज्जन होता है. कबीर कहते हैं जो साधु असाधु का फर्क कर लेता है, मत और मिथक गहन गंभीर है, उसका मत और मिथक गहन गंभीर है. That means if you need to, what for you need to get knowledge, you need to get knowledge to understand the good and bad things, the difference of good and bad. If you can understand what is superstition and what you need to follow, and if you understand that this love is good and hatred is bad, and if you understand that you need not carry any burden of pride, rather you need to live this life in the service of mankind. So things like that, it is the same way that the goldsmith knows that which one is the real diamond and which one is false. So in the same way, if we understand what is the real value of being human, then we can live the life at its best. Then he says, निंदक नियरे राखिए आंगन कुटी छवाए, बिन पानी साबुन बिना निर्मल करे सुभाए। मीन्स जो व्यक्ति आपकी निंदा करता है उसको हमेशा अपने पास रखिए, अपने घर पर रखिए, क्योंकि ऐसा आदमी हमें कमियां बताकर हमारे स्वभाव को ऐसे साफ करता है जैसे बिना साबुन पानी के हमारे शरीर को साफ कर दिया। मीन्स those who criticize you, obviously in a fair way, so those who criticize you, you must not hate them, you must keep them near you, must be in touch with them, so that you can know the wrong things need to be improved and you can correct yourself every now and then, because he is the person who is giving you all these free advice to make you correct and better as a human, even without the use of soap and water. So he is very good for you. You must be with him, near him. Then he says, धीरे धीरे रे मना, धीरे सब कुछ होए, माली सींचे 100 घड़ा, ऋतु आए फल होए। मतलब धीरे धीरे सब कुछ होता है, सब्र रखो। और जैसे ही बरसात ऋतु आती है तब फलों की तभी फल लगते हैं, उसके माली के 100 घड़े डालने से नहीं। दैट मीन्स even the gardener gives thousands of bottles of water to the tree or plant, but the fruits are we get only when the time comes for the particular fruit or flower. Then the same way we need to keep working and without the any expectations in return, because when time will come, the right thing will happen. Until that time, we need to keep working hard without getting disappointed or without any expectation. Thank you, friends. We'll see you again.